Oh my gosh, this is so dangerous.
Ooh. Welcome to TBH, everybody. We are literally out to drive a car.
Yes, we are. Well, he is. My name's Jared, and this is
Toby.
Welcome to TBH. What does TBH stand for?
To be honest.
Really?
Yeah, it does.
Let's get honest. First of all, here's your keys.
Thanks.
And
I love the pom-pom.
I just want to point out, this is not my vehicle.
Yeah.
This is Amos's car, and that's his keyring. Can you show the world his keyring?
This is your keyring, Amos.
Should I put my seatbelt on?
Oh, I probably should do it.
Okay.
Because the guy's like crash.
Okay. Wait. Doesn't? Oh yeah, I got it. Do you know where the key goes?
I'm hoping in here, eh?
Okay. I also want to point out. I don't know if you can see it, but we're in a manual, so that's really.
Toby doesn't know how to drive a manual either.
You don't know how to drive a manual?
Certainly not. Alright, keys in. What way do I turn it?
You need to. Are you serious? Okay, you need to turn the car on. So turn the key. So the car's in neutral, right? It's in the middle. There. Do you understand the numbers?
Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Gear 1 is the lowest gear. Gear 5 is the highest.
Yep.
Okay. That's how the numbers work.
I know now.
So when you start a manual, normally you'd start with the clutch in. Do you know which one of those pedals is the clutch?
Yeah, I do actually.
Fantastic. Push it on in and turn that key over.
Oh my goodness, that goes far.
Yeah, it's a bit poppy this guy.
Do I have to push it all the way back?
Yeah, right in. Right in. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, now what I do?
Turn the key over.
Now?
Okay, now put your foot up, like give it some revs.
Do I take my foot off the clutch?
No, the whole thing with this, right, is getting a good transition from clutch in to accelerator and revs, right?
Yeah.
So you got to try and find a way. Okay, let me just. These are your feet. Okay. So clutch is in right now.
Yep.
Accelerator's not. You got to figure out how to time it right so that as you're bringing the clutch out, you put the accelerator on, and then it basically like there's this moment where it transitions from being clutch in, idling to we're in gear, we're going for it.
Okay.
Yeah, and give it some more revs. Give it.
Lost. Is it off?
The car's now no longer running. So so that buddy hop stalls it, shuts the engine off.
Oh, at least got some bunnies today.
There you go. Okay.
So.
Okay, more revs. Wait. And more revs and clutch out slower. Clutch out. You gotta. Yeah, okay, you gotta get the clutch out, you gotta engage it. Yeah, oh, that was so close. That needed more revs.
Alright, is the car off?
Yeah, the car's off.
Oh, okay,
so turn it over. Clutch out a little bit faster, and or actually, no, clutch out a little bit slower and more accelerator.
Okay. We good.
How good is that?
Oh, I've actually nailed it.
Okay, you're in first gear,
and
you could probably like.
Go on a second.
Yeah, I guess so. Maybe. We're not really going fast enough though. All right, and change now. Foot right in. Yeah. Oh, you went into third. You went straight into third. Okay, just keep it going.
Are we good?
Yeah. Right in, clutching. Yeah, and now pull it back. That's fourth. Okay. Yeah, brake in and. Okay, now put the foot on the clutch. So 1 is there, right? 2 is straight back.
Okay.
3 is up there, but you just probably need 1 and 2.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Good.
Because we're just in the car park.
Yeah, exactly.
We're not going out 100 k's in the car park, right? Yeah. Time it right. Bit more gas. Perfect.
Dang.
That was absolute money. Okay. Try and go into second again, just to.
Okay. Do I need to pick up the speed?
Yeah, probably. That's good there. Now change now.
Oh.
Foot in, clutching. Yeah, there you go, that's second. Yeah. Nah, not. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he said this was his sister's car.
Does he know how to drive the drone, or do we need to teach him? I feel like we need to
I think he needs to listen too.
Oh, this is his sister's car. I don't know if you can see this, but there's also a flower in here. Is that yours?
Yeah.
Alright.
So is the car's off?
The car's off. Is he clutching?
Yeah.
Go for it, turn it on. Yeah, you're good. Go. Yeah. I mean, that was like not the smoothest one.
Yeah, it wasn't smooth.
But you're going.
I'm taking off.
Yeah. Go for it.
We going, right?
We'll take that because you're still driving.
I'm still driving. I'm still going.
Change the second. Change the second.
Oh, second. Okay.
Watch out for the wall though.
Right, let's go. We'll go around the corner.
I love this car suits you actually.
Yeah, thanks.
It's a VW Beetle.
Alright, now we
Suits you
take
along.
off and then we go.
Yeah. Clutch in and change second. Yeah. And yep. Now we go for accelerator. Bro, nice. Great gear change. Amos Hari.
The man, the myth, the legend.
What are your thoughts about Amos? Do you like him?
Oh, he's a great guy.
He's a great guy. Whoa.
Well, okay, that was a little bit of a hard stop. Just didn't want to hit Amos, you know. Otherwise, you wouldn't be getting the great content that he's uploading.
The videographer, the camera operator gave you a thumbs up.
Oh,
He's trained.
Maybe you could learn how to like not hit a pedestrian with Judah. So Judah is just pretending to walk past.
but I don't trust myself.
Oh, emergency stop.
Yeah, I don't trust
I just did one before.
We're not doing an emergency stop.
Why not?
What about drift? So to put this car into reverse, listen.
Yeah.
You have to push it down, okay? And then you have to go far to the left and then up.
But the car's got to be on, eh?
The car needs to be on to drive. Exactly, correct.
So, foot on the clutch.
Well, you don't need to because it's in neutral. So you can just start as it is right now. Why is it beeping? Why is it beeping?
No seatbelt. It's gonna explode. So then I just take my foot off the clutch and it goes, eh?
No, same thing, you need accelerator.
Really?
Yes.
Now we go. It didn't sound too good, eh?
Well, we'll take it. Oh, the handbrake's on. Yeah, take the handbrake off. That's probably...
Wait, doesn't want to go down.
That's okay. That didn't sound too good.
What?
You need that old man strength.
Okay.
I'm not old, by the way. Okay, I'm only...
Wait, is the car on?
12. Okay, technically we are reversing, so that's good. All right, stop.
Is it actually
Let's
good?
stop. And no, not really, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Here's challenge 1. Is this correct? Challenge 1 is to park in that park
Oh no.
over there.
Are we good?
You just did a burnout. Go this way. Go this way. You literally just got the wheels spinning. I mean, we are on gravel, so it's not hard to do. But alright, so you straight up go through those 2 cones, and then you got to park them. Oh my gosh, this is so dangerous. Let's see. I'm not going to tell you when. Oh wow.
I don't know how to do this. Is that good?
He's in the park. He's in the park. Well done, mate. You drive, and I'll explain. Okay?
There's no cone in front of me, right? I'm in first.
No cone in front of you. Let's go. Whoa. Holy moly. Oh, man.
Is that me not putting enough gas?
Yeah, and what you're doing is you're just taking the clutch out too fast and not getting any gas on it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. We'll take that.
Flippin' nailed it.
Whoa. Mate, calm down. He's smiling. How old is Amos? Do you know?
I think he's a year.
Hey?
I think he's a year younger than me.
We're driving in parks right now. If there were cars here, they're all dead. All right. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, turn now. Yeah, and clutch and brake.
Oh, shit.
Flipping it. You turn the windscreen wipers on. What do you need the windscreen wipers for?
Wait, so do you?
Amos, I don't know if this is
Why would you be bored?
Stop.
Why would you? It's in reverse.
Okay, wait, stop. Judah, can you move that back cone so you can just reverse straight out? Okay.
It was a pretty nice reverse though, wasn't it? Oh, we going out.
Oh, watch out for that cone. You just hit another cone. Okay, just go out alongside him and then just stop there, okay?
Thank you guys for watching. Big shout out to big boy J Rad for being my good old driving instructor, you know, learning how to drive the manual.
Easy.
Yeah, good. Have a good rest of your night if you're watching it at night time.
All day, all morning, just whatever. Stay safe in these streets, okay?